Hello, I'm Mr. Eraser. Nice to meet you. Oh, hello, Mr. Eraser. Make sure you help me fix my mistakes today.
Because we're going to need that because this can kind of get crazy, transformations. So we've got some coordinates they give us, and we want to transform each coordinate carefully, right? Just like on the previous page, which is weird. Okay? So for example, we have f of x minus 3. So that means no shift left or right, but definitely the y value, or all the y values on this graph are going to go, all y values are going to go down. We're going to go down 3. We're going to go down 3. And that'll be our new graph. That'll be our new graph. So we check all our y values for this function f of x. And so we have a positive 6 there. That's a positive 6. And so we're going to minus 3. We're going to go down 3 is what it tells us. And so that's going to be a positive 3. So still negative 4, but that's our new coordinate. So we go negative 4. And we were at 6, negative 4 is 6, but we went down 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's our new function. So basically, let me show you what we're doing. And I'm going to show you smartboard style because that's cool. So we're taking this whole graph here like this. You seen it? You seen it? We're taking each of these coordinates now, and we're making a new graph. And we're going to take all of those coordinates and shift it how much down? Shift it how much down? 1, 2, 3. So we shifted down 3. Shifted down 3. Just like that. That's our new picture. So we start here. And then we're going to take this next one, which is at 0, 4, and go down 1, 2, 3. Our next coordinate is at 2, 0. And so maybe we do the old one just to show it to you, and then we do the new one. So it was here, it was here. There's our old one in green. And then over 6, down 4. Right? So that was our old graph. That's our old graph. And now we're going to go ahead and shift it. So now we're going to go ahead and shift it down here, and then down here down 3, and this one down 3, and this one down 1, 2, 3. And that's our new graph. And that's just our answer. That's just our answer. So that's our new shifted graph. Okay? So number 18, you're going to take each one, remember opposite inside the parentheses. So you're going to take each coordinate, and you're going to go right 1 and up 2. Do you think you could do that? Do you think you could do that? So you want to go ahead and take negative 4, positive 6, right? 0, 4, 2, 0, and over 6, down 4. And you're going to go ahead and shift the whole thing now. Right 1 and up 2. Okay, what about number 19? Oh, not the negative 1/2. Oh. So now we're going to take each of those coordinates. Okay? Remember that this only affects the left side with the multiplication there. Only affects, is it effects or affects? I don't know. Effects, affects? I think it's affects. So it only affects the y values. Y values is going to shrink them. It's going to shrink them. So we go negative 4 up 6. So here's our negative 4 up 6. And so we take the negative 1/2 now, and we're going to go ahead and times it with the 6. So 6 times, let's color code it. So 6 times negative 1/2, 6 times negative 1/2 is what? That's negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. 2 still is on the bottom because you multiply straight across. Yeah, negative 3. Wow, that's going to jump way down there. Way down there to negative 3. Right? Way down there to negative 3. Good. Our next one is 4, 0. Or no, sorry, the next one is 0, 4. So now we do 0, 4, and we times that guy by negative 1/2. And when we do that, we get what? Negative 2. So that shifts down here to negative 2. Ooh, this is going to be different. Then we had 2, 0. And so 2 comma 0. And this time we times the 0 times -1/2. And that just gives us 0. So that's just going to stay there. Interesting. I think this is a reflection. What do you think about the x-axis? Yeah, I feel like this, or maybe not the x-axis, but maybe, I don't know, some number. Looks like it's reflecting down or flipping. Yeah, it's flipping and going wider, I guess. Okay, let's see here. So going down, flipping, and then going wider. Okay, so 2, 0 really didn't do anything. Just stayed as 2, 0 when we multiplied the -1/2 through. But what about the last one? 6 down 4. And so we had 6 down 4. Remember, we multiplied that -1/2 with just the y value. And so -4 times -1/2 is a +2, is what that equals. A +2, because 4 times 1/2, half of 4 is 2. Okay, so that means we're going to go 6 and then +2. And so when we do that, we go here. Wow, it's got some crazy graphs going on there. So sorry, I need to use the old parent function with a different color. That was this guy and this guy and this guy and this guy. And then our new color that we just did is in blue. And so our new color is this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. So that's quite interesting. So it went a little bit wider or narrow. Yeah, wider, I don't know. Wider and flipped. Okay, so what does that 2 do? So this means you're going to go to the opposite. Instead of times 2, you're actually going to do divided by 2. Divided by 2. So take each of those 4 coordinates, which was -4, 6, 0 up 4, right? 0 up 4. Was it? Yeah, 0. Yep, 0 up 4. 2, 0, 2, 0, and 6, -4. And you're going to take each of those x values now, okay? Take each of those x values right here all the way down. You're going to take each of those x values, and you're going to go ahead and divide it by 2. So divide, is it a +2 or -2? I think I don't think it's the reciprocal, I hope not. We should take our answer key. So 6 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, and -4 divided by 2. And so that would be -2 of 6, which means that we shifted. Interesting. Right? We shifted. So I'm going to pause and just double check I'm doing this right. Pause me. Okay, we are back. I just checked with a few teachers, including Miss Kohea. Shout out to her. So the answer key wasn't quite what I thought it was. It wasn't correct, so I double checked with her. And so yeah, so we actually divide by 2 on all those. So not a -2, but a +2, right? If you had something crazy like, I don't know, 2x, like, I don't know, 2x minus 3, for example, then this is just an example, then you would take each x value and divide by 2 and add 3. But that's just a whole different example. For number 20, you're just going to divide by 2 only. So take each of those x values and divide by 2 only. Thanks so much for watching. We'll double check an ACT for you. So the Davis Reader book charges $40 a month, plus $40 a month, plus a $2 fee per book. We'll call X per book. 1, 2, 3 books. X equals 3 books. Okay. Then we have Y equals the Dart Book Company, which charges $35 a month, plus a fee per book of $3 per book. And so for each club, how many books must be read? for 1 month for the total charges to be equal. And so all you do is take each equation and you set them equal to each other to solve for x, to see how many books would have to equal each other. And so we minus the 2x over to this side, and we get a 1x. And then we go ahead and minus 35 over to this side. And 40 minus 35 is, 5. So it's 5 books. And if you plug it in, you get 5 times 2 is 10. And 40 plus 10 is $50 for 5 books. And if you plug 5 in here, 5 times 3 is 15. And 35 plus 15 is $50. They equal each other. So you try number 22 on your own. You're just going to take a half and plug it in there and plug it in there. So thanks for watching 2.1. Thanks for working hard on this assignment. Peace out. See you on 2.2. Peace out and bye for now.